Hello my gardening family, welcome and welcome back to my food forest in container. I appreciate you one and all, and I just want to say a warm welcome to all of you, my new family. Thank you all so much. To my loyal family, I appreciate you all. Thank you all so much. Alright, so just a little update. So I did come out last night again and get some slugs. Oh, also
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
guys, this is not salt that I put on the plants. Alright, this is diatomaceous earth. So I didn't get carried away. Alright, for the persons that thought that I throw the salt on the plant and in the container, no. Alright, it's diatomaceous earth. So this now that you're looking at, not last night, the night before when I came out, this was done from in the evening, this salt right here, because I had no intention of coming out in the night. Alright, that wasn't a part of the plan. It was the many comments that I saw. I got some courage and I came out. So this salt was in the evening. I just put it there because a lot of slug marks were in this container. So I was thinking maybe they were under the container and would come out in the night. So I put a lot of salt right there. So if they crawl out, they wouldn't find any strength to crawl out of the amount of salt that I would have put there. Alright, so that's how that salt came by there and that one over there. Alright, so yeah. So what I did was to do it again. So I did it again last night and it was a success, I must say. My cherry blooms, they are trying, you know, but they're not holding. They're not holding. I think sooner or later, because I know someone who has a cherry tree as well, and she says that the first set of blooms, they always fall off until the cherry tree just start to bloom and produce her fruit. So I am leaning on that and keep my hopes up where that is concerned. So I'm getting more and more tomatoes here. These are pear tomatoes. It is 2 tomato plant that is here, so I'm not sure if both plants gonna be pear tomato, but whatever it is, I am grateful. So I'm getting cucumber. Of course, I am getting peppers. You may not be seeing them visibly right now, but they're there. And I have some blooms as well coming out. Alright, look at my mulberry. Alright, so I think I'm going to strip this baby down again. So the areas where I think I'm going to continue to do that until they just decide that let me just produce for this girl so she can leave me alone. So these ones, usually when they're almost ripe, they get a little bigger. So even though they're small right now, it is actually fine. So I have a few there coming up. So I'm going to strip this baby today. I'm going to strip both of them. The one that is producing and the one that is not producing. Alright, so my corns, they're coming out slowly but surely. Yeah. Oh, I didn't see that this corn pop out right here. No, let me help it out in case. Help pollinate it. I didn't saw that you popped out. I was busy dealing with the sluggies. Alrighty. More new growth on the pomegranate. I'm just loving that I'm seeing these pepper over here. So these are the broad ones with the flat bottom. Scotch bonnet, yeah. And these are the regular ones, Scotch bonnet as well. Come my tomato there, I need to stake it. It's doing wonderful. I have another one here doing lovely as well. Look at my fig tree. Sorry, I'm not tired. Take a look. I'm loving it. Corns progressing nicely. My banana suckers getting bigger over there. Look at this pepper. Cutie. So all these white that you're seeing, it's all diatomaceous earth. Oh, let me take a look at the sweet pepper or bell pepper inside here. Alright, looks alright to me. Appears to be fine. I'm getting more blooms right here. It appears to be fine. Oh, my dragon fruit, guys. Dragon fruits going in, you know, doing its thing. Alrighty. I see something, you know. I see something. Oh God, I never feel so nervous about anything in my garden. Well, I think I'm more nervous about this than anything else. Papaya. Oh, look there. Look like it wants to push out something. You can see? Look like it wants to push out something up there, so. Oh my word. You heard me talking about giving up on you? Almighty God, my apologies. My sincere apologies. Look like it want to do something. Oh my word. That would make the rest of my year. I need to do better with this. I need to figure out something. This thing here, my orange tree, it cannot stay there. I have to sort that out. It is not getting enough sunlight, and I don't know why, because it's in a great location. Or maybe it is that, oh, it was the water that it was getting. I see, because of the roof right here. All right, we're going to fix that. So you're not going to get any water for a while. We're going to make sure that you dry out. Look at my star fruit. It keeps putting on new growth. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that little lizards right there. Ah, boy. They just won't leave me alone. Look at that. More June plums. Ah, boy. Every day I look at this baby right here. Can't wait for something to happen. I'm all over the place. See my raspberry. Putting on some new growths for me. What is happening inside here? Oh, when the tree was cut down. Oh Lord, and it looked like it destroyed some of my onions. Yep, some of them are destroyed. Well, most of them destroyed. Alright, so I'm going to have to clean out that container. Thankfully, I have some right here. I am going to leave you here for today. And until tomorrow, walk good, guys. God bless you.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet